Hello, good morning student. Today in chemistry we discuss about reaction of metal with acid. Okay, lastly we discussed reaction of metal with acid. Again we discuss some one or two reaction related with acid and then we go for other reaction. Reaction of metal with acid, then hydrogen gas is evolved and salt is produced. Another, if the metal is very less reactive or non-reactive, for that we want to prepare this aqua regia. Aqua regia is royal water. Okay, royal water. In Latin word it is known as royal water. Why? Because it dissolves most non-reactive metals, as for example gold and silver. In this, two acids are taken, concentrate hydrochloric acid and concentrate nitric acid in 3:1 ratio. 3 part of hydrochloric acid is taken and 1 part of nitric acid HNO3 is taken, and particular metal is dissolved into it. It is used to dissolve the inert metal like gold and silver. Gold symbol is AU and silver symbol is AG. This acidic solution is very highly corrosive, so you have to take in corrosion proof beaker, corrosive beaker you have to take, in that this mixture of acid is taken. After dissolving metal, the solution is used for electroplating. Electroplating means, suppose you dissolved gold in this aqua regia, then gold solution is prepared. Then this solution is taken in the another container and then electroplating is done. Electroplating means what? Deposition of particular metal on particular monuments or ornaments. Okay, at cathode electrode. So at cathode electrode you have to put ornaments. Suppose metal ornaments you have taken, or any species. Suppose any ideal statue is there. That statue is made up of iron and we want to convert into gold from its outer layer. Then electron plating is there. That monument is joined to cathode electrode and this electroplating is done. Then silver is deposited or gold is deposited on that particular electrode or ornaments. This is known as electroplating. For a few times you have to switch on the current. So electroplating is done. It takes 1 hour, 2 hours onwards and electroplating is done. So this is about aqua regia. Next we discuss about, that is fourth property, reaction of metal with metal salt. Okay, reaction of metal with metal. Okay. Next is about reaction of metal with metal salt. Metal A react with salt solution of B, then it will convert it into salt of A and metal B is obtained. Suppose example copper you have taken, you try to react copper with AgNO3 means silver nitrate, then displacement reaction take place. Copper will displace Ag from its salt and convert it into copper nitrate. Why copper nitrate? Copper has converted into 0 state to +2 state, means oxidation will take place. So nitrate, which has valency -1, NO3 -1, we required, and silver from +1 it is converted to Ag, means reduction of silver will take place and oxidation of copper will take place. If you balance the reaction, then nitrate 3 required. So you make it, nitrate 2 required. So you write here Ag2. So it will give 2 mole of Ag solid. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. That is number 4. Okay, topic number 4. Topic number 5, that is reactivity of metal. Reactivity of metals. In reactivity of metal, first, reactivity of metal depends upon how metal lose electron. capacity of metal decide the reactivity of metal. Means the metal which lose electron fast, that metal is known as more reactive metal. As for example, potassium and sodium is more reactive metal. Why? Because it lose electron and convert it into iron. Similarly, gold and silver, okay, Ag and Au, it does not donate electron fast, so they are in reactivity. It is very less. In between them, in the center, there is hydrogen. So it reactivity. Compare second thing, instead of electron, you can compare with the hydrogen also. The reactivity of metal, if more than hydrogen, then it is more reactive metals. If it is less than hydrogen, then it is less reactive metal. So hydrogen is in the middle, other elements or other metals are arranged. On the first is alkali metal in S block, sodium, potassium. Okay, sodium and potassium. Okay, sodium, potassium, other is calcium, magnesium, aluminium onwards. Okay, lead, they are more reactive as compared to hydrogen. And copper and mercury is less reactive, or gold and silver, they are the inert metal. So this is about reactivity. So reactivity, if you draw the arrow, then reactivity decreases. Reactivity decreases. On losing electron will be less if you go from left side to right side. In homework, I am giving the question related with the chapter reactions of metal with different component. Try to write that question and answer in your book. Okay? Thank you.